We lived in Canada back in the mid-90s, in 1995, and we bought an old T2, ended up driving it all the way across from Vancouver to Montreal. We loved the experience, and that's what got us into campervans. We bought our first campervan in the UK in 2002. There were just a number of things I didn't like about it. The way some of the furniture was laid out, little bits that you couldn't open your fridge when you put the bed down, you couldn't open certain cupboard doors, there wasn't the greatest use of space. I looked and thought hard and decided, you know what, I could probably do a better job than had been done. So I started out and planned my own van and converted my own van. There's a lot of work done on a continual basis here with all the guys, and it's important that it really comes from the people who work here. It's to say, how can we improve things? How can we make changes that make it even better so we can ensure that the product we produce at the end of the day is exactly as we want it and as our customers want it as well. We started to think about what we really wanted for the future of Jerba Campervans. We had a strong cohort of employees who'd been there almost since day one. So we looked at the options for how we could develop the business. The one that stood out a mile for us was the model of employee ownership. It makes it very, very difficult for it to be ever taken over by another company in the future, and it preserves the jobs of the employees.